Welcome to Transparent Cleaning. Today, we're going to explore smart gadgets that help keep your home clean and organized with ease. I'm Wei Nguyen, and I'm so excited to be here with you on this journey to make your home a tidy, cozy, and modern living space. You'll be amazed by these clever tools, such as smart robot vacuums, motion sensor trash bins, multifunctional storage racks, and many other household gadgets, all carefully selected to help you clean smarter, not harder. If you love the products in today's video, don't forget to check the Amazon link in the description below. By shopping through that link, you're also supporting this channel, helping me bring you even more helpful content in the future. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.
subscribe.